I was born and raised in Jakarta, so I already get used to all of this hectic atmosphere. People are always walking, vehicles are always moving, and then aside from that, commuting is requiring a lot of work. And that's why to be able to accommodate 11 million of its citizens, a mass transportation is needed.
The development of mass transportation in Jakarta began with Bus Rapid Transit, or BRT, which was officially launched in 2004, now known as Transjakarta. Transjakarta is the first BRT in Southeast Asia with the longest line route in the world, which is 251.2 kilometers. Transjakarta routes pass 287 bus stops in 13 corridors around the city and its surroundings for 24 hours.
Ini berarti tadi naik Transjakarta dari mana ke mana?
Dari Setiong ke Monas, terus ke Blok M.
Jadi ada tukeran ini ya? Emang sehari-hari biasa naik Transjakarta nggak?
Iya.
Kenapa kalau?
Lebih enak aja sih dekat dari rumah.
Jadi kalau dari rumah ke halte nggak terlalu?
Tinggal jalan kaki.
Each Transjakarta carries 80 to 150 passengers depending on the type of a bus. A total of 280 million passengers took Transjakarta in 2023, making it an all-time record high.
Selamat sore. Untuk mengurai antrian di gate selatan, silakan bisa keluar melalui gate utara.
Jakarta launched Mass Rapid Transit, or MRT, in 2019. It has a high speed of 80 to 100 kilometers per hour, allowing travel between 13 stations to be done in a short time.
Dari Stora Mandiri tadi ke sini.
Berapa lama tadi Pak perjalanannya?
Sekitar nggak sampai 5 menit ya tadi ya.
5 menit ya. Bapak emang sehari-hari selalu naik MRT?
Iya,
Kenapa Pak?
karena lebih cepat ya. Aksesnya juga kan saya kebetulan kantornya di CPD, jadi lebih mudah karena melanjut naik KRL.
MRT uses 16 kilometers of railway line. 6 kilometers of a line was built underground in central Jakarta, and the rest was built on elevated tracks in South Jakarta. In each trip, MRT can carry 1,950 passengers during its operating hours, which is from 5 a.m. to 12 a.m. More than 33 million passengers took the MRT in 2023.
So the MRT project will also continue until the central Jakarta and North Jakarta area. So for this one, it's around the south area of Jakarta. But then the phase 2 development is still continue from the National Monument, from the Otan of Jakarta or Kota, and also to Ancol, North Jakarta.
Finally, there is a light rail transit, or LRT, for trips to the suburbs of Jakarta, which began its operation in 2023. It has a capacity of between 740 to 1,500 passengers for each trip, with operating hours from 5:20 a.m. to 10 p.m. More than 4.5 million passengers even traveled by the LRT in a span of 4 months after its launch in August last year.
So for the LRT, it's divided into 2 lines. So the first one, it goes to Cibubur, which is stop at the Harjamukti station. Yes, I'm right. And then the second one is for the Bekasi line, which will stop at Jatimulya station. So starting from the beginning, from the Duku Atas station until Cawang station, it's still into 1 line. However, after that, it will be separated into 2. So in total, there is 18 stations for the whole LRT itself. But then, if you go there, just make sure that you go on the right track because some of them are divided into 2 lanes.
LRT has 44.43 kilometers of railway track. It also has an automated driverless train system and can reach different stations in less than 5 minutes.
Mbak, cepet banget tadi ya perjalanannya
Iya,
ya?
nggak kerasa sih sebenarnya.
Mbak tadi berarti naik dari mana sampai mana?
Saya tadi naik dari Halim karena saya naik kereta cepat, lalu ya ini turun di Duku Atas.
Turun di Duku Atas. Berapa lama tadi berarti?
Kurang lebih 30 menit mungkin.
30 menit.
Iya.
Kenapa pilih naik LRT Mbak? Buat keseharian?
Sebenarnya cukup udah seamless aja sih kalau naik habis turun dari kereta cepat, dia langsung udah bisa integrated dengan stasiun LRT. Jadi saya tinggal langsung naik ini dan menghindarin macet juga, apalagi jam segini kan sore-sore, jadi pasti kalau LRT lebih convenient aja sih.
Oke, jadi benar-benar memudahkan ya Mbak?
Iya, mudahkan banget.
Mbak, makasih ya.
Sama-sama.
Silakan selamat melanjutkan perjalanan, semoga lancar sampai.
Terima kasih.
Oke. Iya.
Sudah. Terima kasih.
Yeah, so with the development of MRT, BRT, and LRT, Jakarta is ready towards its future, and all of them are also integrated. So now what's left is that for us to be able to maintain its facilities and also to be able to keep its cleanliness as well as protect its facilities. Andira Putri, Andiko Arianto reporting for Today.